Hey there, fellow home growers. Today, I'm going to share 7 essential tips to ensure your seedlings thrive. Growing seedlings successfully is all about creating the right conditions for strong roots, sturdy stems, and healthy leaves. Many gardeners struggle with weak, leggy, or nutrient-deficient seedlings, but with the right approach, you can set your plants up for success. So, let's dive in. First up, use high-quality seeds. Healthy seedlings start with good genetics. Cheaper old seeds may have low germination rates or weak growth. Always buy fresh, high-quality seeds from a reputable source. If you're storing seeds, keep them in a cool, dry place to maintain viability. Next, choose the right growing medium. Seedlings need a light, well-draining mix that holds moisture but doesn't stay too wet. Avoid using regular garden soil, which is too dense and can cause poor root development. Instead, use a seed starting mix made from cocoa coir or peat moss, perlite or vermiculite, and compost or worm castings. A well-balanced medium ensures roots get oxygen, water, and nutrients without drowning. Now let's talk about light. One of the biggest mistakes new growers make is not giving seedlings enough light. Weak, stretched-out seedlings are usually caused by low light levels. To prevent this, use LED grow lights or fluorescent lights with a 6500 K spectrum. Keep lights 2-4 inches above seedlings and adjust as they grow. Provide 14-16 hours of light daily to encourage strong growth. If you're growing near a window, make sure your plants get direct sunlight or supplement with artificial light to prevent legginess. Maintaining proper temperature and humidity is crucial. Seedlings thrive in a consistent, warm environment. Ideal conditions are a temperature of 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius, and humidity of 50 to 70%. A simple heat mat can help maintain warmth, especially for warm season crops like tomatoes and peppers. Too much heat can cause rapid weak growth, while cold temps can stunt seedlings. Water smartly. Overwatering is one of the most common seedling killers. Keep soil moist but not soggy. Let the top 1/2 inch dry out between watering. Use a spray bottle or bottom watering method to avoid disturbing delicate roots. Always use room temperature, dechlorinated water for best absorption. Proper watering prevents damping off disease, a fungal issue that kills young seedlings. Start feeding at the right time. Seedlings don't need fertilizer right away because their seeds contain stored nutrients. But after they develop their first true leaves, they need a gentle nutrient boost. Start with a 1:4 strength organic fertilizer like fish emulsion, compost tea, or kelp extract. Increase feeding gradually as plants grow. Avoid over-fertilizing, as too much nitrogen can lead to weak, spindly plants. Adding beneficial microbes like mycorrhizal fungi also helps improve nutrient uptake. Finally, harden off your seedlings before transplanting. Before moving seedlings outdoors, they need to adjust to natural conditions. This process is called hardening off. In days 1 and 3, place seedlings outside in the shade for a few hours. In days 4-6, gradually introduce them to more sunlight and wind. By day 7, keep them outside all day, bringing them in at night. Hardening off reduces transplant shock and helps seedlings adapt to outdoor conditions. By following these 7 key strategies, you'll give your seedlings the best start possible. Use high-quality seeds, choose the right growing medium, provide strong light, keep temperatures and humidity stable, water smartly, feed at the right time, and harden off before transplanting. With these steps, your seedlings will grow strong, healthy, and ready to produce an amazing harvest. Happy growing!